Connecting Coinbase to Tradingview allows you to analyze and chart your cryptocurrency investments effectively. Here's how to set it up. Create a Tradingview account. If you don't already have one, visit the Tradingview website and sign up for a free account. You can also choose a paid plan for additional features. Once logged in, navigate to the Tradingview chart interface. On the right side, you'll find a panel with various options. Click on the Trading Panel tab. In the Trading panel, look for the Coinbase option. Click on it to initiate the connection process. If Coinbase isn't directly available, you may need to check integration with supported brokers or use a third-party API. You'll be prompted to log into your Coinbase account. Enter your credentials to authorize the connection. If prompted, allow TradingView to access your account information. Some integrations may require an API key from Coinbase. To obtain this, log into your Coinbase account, go to the API settings, and create a new API key with the necessary permissions. Copy this key and paste it back into TradingView if needed. Once connected, you can use TradingView's advanced charting tools to analyze your Coinbase assets. You'll have access to real-time data and execute trades directly from the TradingView interface. I hope this helped, and see you in another video. Bye bye!